And time now to get a check of your forecast. So, Tim, what can we expect for the rest of the week?
Hey, good Thursday afternoon, guys. Yeah, it was a cold start this morning, and we had some sunshine to get going, but now a few more clouds building on in, and we're going to have some nice weather for the next couple days to wrap up the work week, but then things get a little bit interesting as we head towards the weekend, especially the end part and early next week. Live look from across the region, and got plenty of sunshine out there no matter where you go right now. Out in Virginia Beach, you see the waves, still pretty rough surf out there, but sunny skies there. Up right atop our studios here in downtown Norfolk, a few more clouds beginning to mix on in, and that's going to be the gradual trend in the next few hours. Temperature-wise, everybody pretty much sitting in the low to middle 40s. It's chilly out there. We have a breeze out of the north to northwest. 44 in Chesapeake currently, 45 Williamsburg, 46 Gatesville, 45 out in Virginia Beach. So those headlines, a tranquil weather scenario today and tomorrow. And as we get into Saturday, our clouds will increase. And then Sunday, rain eventually developing as a coastal low takes shape. Exactly where that tracks is going to be the all-determining factor on what and how much we see here. Right now, looking like a mainly rain event, ending as a period of some snow possibly as colder air builds on in. And we'll see how that changes here. Still got plenty of time. It is only Thursday, and that would be Sunday night into early Monday. There's live radar. I'm showing you this because just off to our west, we're having some instability showers starting to pop on up here. Very, very light in nature, just going to move on through rather quickly. You can see them kind of blowing up nicely here on radar. The heating of the day getting underway, and that's really kind of cooking things up with some cold air aloft, so we get to see these clouds developing here and kind of pushing east towards the coastline. Some of those may spit out a few light sprinkles or light showers. Really nothing to write home about. Off towards our west, we do have high pressure building on in, and that itself, coupled up with that nor'easter off to the north and east there, it's going to squeeze us in the middle there. So we'll see a few more winds picking on up throughout the day tomorrow. A little bit breezy, those gusts up to 25 to 30 or so. So here's how it looks on Futurecast. There it is, a few of those isolated shower chances throughout the later parts of the day today. Once that sun sets, very typical, we see that die down. All the instability showers kind of fall apart. And then overnight tonight, we do get cold. That breeze kicks up, and we're dropping down to around freezing, if not cooler than that. You factor in the breezes, it'll feel a whole lot chillier. And tomorrow, more sunshine. It'll be a breezy day, and temperatures topping out very similar to today in the upper 40s, maybe lower 50s if we're lucky. And then the clouds start to build on in as we get into early Saturday morning. Those lower and thicken, and we'll jump ahead to early Sunday morning. We're going to see the rain developing here as temperatures at that point will be too warm. But depending on the strength of the storm here and how much cold air gets pulled down from the north and west, certainly off towards the central Virginia area along the Shenandoah Valley, much better possibilities of seeing the wintry scenario play out there. Here, we just have to see how far south and east that cold air makes it before the system exits off to the north and east. So 50 today, partly cloudy skies, that isolated shower chance, about 20% shot there. Breezy and cool. Tonight we're down to 30, but inland probably some 20s out there, and with that breeze, it'll feel a whole lot cooler than that. There's your 7-day forecast. 52 on Friday. It'll be a breezy day. An isolated shower possible with increasing clouds on Saturday. More widespread rain as that coastal low takes shape. Some of that could be heavy at times, and depending on how cold the air is, we'll see if we end as a brief period of some wet snow, especially off towards the peninsula, eastern shore, that sort of deal, farther north and west you are.
All right, keeping an eye on it. Thank you, Tim.